Excellent. All right. So, hey, how we doing? It's Mr. Carter here, ready to do this experiment on energy. And what we have here is we have a roller coaster, and we're trying to get the marble into the goal, into the end. So I'm going to do a few practice runs to see what it should look like. So what it should look like to start is without any bumper cars, the marble should end up in the goal space. So let's see if this works. There we go. Perfect. So the marble needs to end up in the goal. That's the whole point of this. So we're going to do a few trials, a few different experiments to see whether or not a bumper car makes a difference in making the marble go to the goal. So the first one is where we have the bumper marble in the first valley. So this first valley here, this is called the valley, this is called the hill. So the dip in the roller coaster is called the valley, and the top part's called the hill. So here what we'll do is we'll do a few trials to see what happens when I drop the marble from the top of the high hill and bump the marble in the valley. Okay, so what did you notice there? Did the bumper car make it to the goal? It did not. It stayed right put. So let's try it again, see if it makes any difference. All right, here we are. Okay, so again, we did it a couple times, and we noticed that the marble that was in the valley did not make it to the goal. All right, so now we're going to do a different experiment where we're going to take the bumper marble, and we're going to place it here at the top of the first hill, the medium hill. And hopefully, the marble I'm dropping from the first hill will make it to the top. If it doesn't quite make it to the top, I'm going to do the trial again. So that one doesn't count. Let's see if this one works. Okay, so yeah. All right. So what happened there? Perfect. Okay, so now we'll do it again. So we have another marble right here at the top of the medium hill. We'll give it another go, see how this works. So there we go. Perfect. Okay, so what happened there? What happened to that bumper marble? So this is the bumper marble. What ended up happening to the marble again? So let's do this one more time. All right, so again, I'm dropping it from the high hill. There we go, and there we go. So what happened that time? Perfect. Okay, so now the next experiment is we're going to take up the bumper marble, and we're going to put it in the second valley. All right. If you want, pause the video and make a prediction. What do you think is going to happen here? All right, so now I'm going to, again, drop it from the high marble, see how it goes. Okay, all right, where did it land? So it didn't land in the goal, but it stayed put here in the second valley. So let's give it another shot. So we'll put this bumper marble again in that second valley. Here we go. All right, so there we have it. All right, so what did we notice there, folks? All right, our next experiment we're going to do is we're going to take the bumper marble. Now we're going to put it on top of the low hill. All right, again, if you want, make a prediction, see what's going to happen. So here we go. All right, excellent. So what happened to that bumper marble? All right, do one more trial. Again, the bumper marble's on top of the low hill. Here we go. Oh, that one didn't make it over the first hill, so we'll give it another shot. Here we go again. There we have it. All right, and what happened to that bumper marble? All right, that's it for now. Again, turn and talk, have a discussion, do whatever your teacher wants to do with this experiment. All right, folks, here we are again. Now we're going to do a second part of this experiment where now we have two bumper marbles. We're going to take the marble, drop it again from the high point, and then we're going to run the marbles to see what happens now when we have two bumper marbles. Okay, so we have one bumper marble on top of each hill. So we're going to see what happens. So again, if you want to pause the video, make a prediction, what do you think is going to happen there? So let's see what happens. Okay, excellent. So what happened there? Did it work? It looked like it did. It went to the goal area. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to move the second bumper marble to the valley. So we're going to have one at the top of the hill, and we're going to have the second bumper marble in the valley. So again, pause the video if you want, make a prediction. What do you think is going to happen? Will that bumper marble make it to the goal or not? Let's see. All right, so again, think about what happened. It didn't make it to the goal. So think about why and talk about energy and all that good stuff. All right, thank you.